Good morning, everyone. It's Kim, the homeschooling Grammy. I'm saying good morning because it's morning here now, and I've decided that I'm going to be making some banana bread today, and I thought I would take you along for the ride. I'm not a professional. I don't usually do these kinds of videos, and I won't be trying it because I don't like banana bread. So this is for my dad and for my husband, and there's little Hope.
Hi, y'all.
Hi, all. She's supposed to be doing school. She's in here.
Doing school.
She is doing school. So anyway, the things that she could do on her own, she's supposed to be doing. So I'm gonna take you along for this little ride. Hopefully no one will be hurt in this process today. Let's do this. So you will need 2 cups of flour, which I already have in my little bowl over here. You will need a teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which I've already put in here. You will need a 1/2 cup of butter, which is in this bowl over here. 1/2 cup, darling. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. 2 eggs, which I will beat shortly. And it says 2 1/3 cups of mashed overripe bananas. I had 2 bananas, that's what's getting put in there. And I make this recipe a lot, and so sometimes only if I have 3 bananas, they get thrown in there. And yes, I have a 9-year-old who is next to me now, getting involved. See her? Here she is. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to lightly grease your loaf pan. Here's my loaf pan. It's already been lightly greased, just for you all. Then in this large bowl, you're going to combine your flour, your baking soda, and your salt. So here we go. And of course, I forgot my whisk because, you know, I am all together like that. There. It is all mixed together. So then the next part we are going to do is we're going to cream together our butter and our brown sugar. So I'm going to set my other bowl over here. Butter. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to not have you watch me mix together the ingredients because I don't know. I don't think you need to see me mixing. Okay, ladies, it's one of those days I thought I had record on and I didn't until my screen went blank. So what I have done in this bowl was initially the creamed butter and brown sugar. So I have now added the mashed bananas and the beaten egg. And I have it all mixed together now. See, that's why you really shouldn't follow me for any cooking instruction, because I am not your girl for that. All right, so, and as I was explaining before, like I had to scrape off my spatula, you know, in the film that I wasn't filming. And I don't like anything that's raw. If it's raw, it just grosses me out. And so, yeah, yuck. Raw meat, raw eggs, anything uncooked is just gross to me. So now the next step is to pour our banana mixture into the flour mixture and just stir it until it is moist. Just moistened, it says. So I only had like 2 bananas, which I'm fine with. Sometimes I have 3. Like, I don't care like what it says about how many bananas to use. I just do my own thing. Yeah. Because the more bananas, actually, the better it is a lot of times. At least that's what my husband and my dad tell me. I don't know, because like I said, I don't eat banana bread. It is not my thing. And if it was my thing, I would use gluten-free flour. So let's see here. Let's get all this yumminess mixed together. It smells really good. Will it taste good? That is the question of the day. I don't know. exciting watching me stir this together. Hope says it's real exciting. Alright, I'm trying to make sure that the flour is actually mixed in there. And yeah, I do have a fancy schmancy KitchenAid appliance, mixer-upper thingamybobber. But you know what? I think I've used it twice. I always use my hand mixer. I don't know why, but I do. And yeah, very good. She's just showing me. Well, I will help you in a minute. I'm a little busy. Okay. Hold your horses there, woman. Okay. So, here we go. We are moistened. I already have my...
Hey, Granny, if I did have a horse, I would hold my horse.
If she had her horse, she would hold her horses. Okay. So now I'm just going to... Hopefully my wrist doesn't give out. Let's get this mix. Let's get this banana mixture into...
It's scary.
Here. It is scary because I have really... If you don't know anything about me, if you're new to my channel, well, I'm really sorry for you right now, but baking, and I like to bake. I don't really like to cook. And I also am very weak.
So that's
And the older I get, the weaker I get. So a lot of times if my husband is here, I'll have him come over here and be like, hold the bowl for me because I can't do it by myself.
And that's why that's so scary.
Yes. And it's going to be even scarier if you don't get your schoolwork done so that we can do something fun later.
Grammy.
Grammy.
Give it to me, Grammy.
Okay. So, all of our lovely yumminess is now in here. And so, the oven is set at 350 degrees.
That is like California.
And it's supposed to bake for 60 to 65 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the loaf comes out clean. And let your bread cool in a pan for 10 minutes and then turn it out onto a wire rack. So, I will show you this loveliness when it is done baking. Well, hopefully it'll be loveliness when it is done baking. No promises. Okay, I'll be back.
It's done. It's out of the oven. I didn't burn it. It made it out alive. Let me show you. Here it sits cooling. So it needs to sit here for a few minutes to cool and whatever. So what I will do just for you all is when my husband gets home, because I'm going to cut this loaf in half. Half is going to be for my dad. I'm going to take that over to him today, and the other half will be for Bruce. So I will have him taste this glorious banana bread for you all.
Look who's here. So he's going to try the bread.
Actually, I'll try the bread first.
Oh, you're going to try some too? And Hope just stepped on his toe. All right, so I'm going to cut the bread, and they're going to try it.
Hi.
Oh, there she is. Okay, they're getting ready. The verdict is... Oh, Hope wants to go first. That's what she said. She told me that banana bread's not even her favorite. The dog is like, Hope, you're dropping. Then the dog's eating the leftovers, so she's dropping them.
Banana bread, dog?
What do you think, Hope? Is it good? Yes, she doesn't like banana bread, so I'm not even sure why she's trying to bite. That was pretty funny. Do you like it?
Oh, yeah, it's good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it moist?
It's not one of the more moist ones you've had. But
I know.
It's not bad.
It's not
Not
bad. Yeah,
bad,
see? It's not bad. It's not good. It's not bad.
No,
You hear that?
I'm
Nope.
So it's not really dry either.
Yeah, well, I only had 2 bananas.
Oh, okay, well, I like it. I'll eat it.
Okay.
This is why I don't like to cook.
I have really hard critics, and I'm not even kidding you. No, just Dad is like really, he's like crazy, ridiculous.
Well, I'm not.
You just told me it was all right.
It is the best banana bread in the history of the universe.
It's not.
It's still good. No, it's still good. I'm eating it. If it was bad, I tell you it's bad.
Yeah, I thought I needed probably one more banana, but it's okay. I don't have to eat it.
Doable.
All right, so the next time we do a video, you probably won't see him because he's not going to be here anymore. Prince is trying to save his life right now. That's the problem.
We got the puppy.
I would like to retract my statement about the banana bread. It's the most wonderful banana bread.
Save him, Princey, save him.